Republic Tower, Cessna 115 Victor at runway 19er, Golf 7, ready for departure.
Cessna 115 Victor, Republic Tower, hold short, you're number 2 for departure.
Holding short, number 2 for departure, 115 Victor.
Winds 150 at 7.
Alright, so we're number 2.
Welcome 9027, 190 line up and wait.
100 line up and wait, 9027.
How hard is it to actually land one of those tail?
Cessna 58 Victor, 19er, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 115 Victor.
Let's go.
Alright. Alright, airspace alive.
You got your right rudder in, perfect.
Right, okay. 50, 50.
Alright, keep that right rudder in. Keep that right rudder in, you got it.
Alright.
You go, push that nose forward. Let's push for VY, we'll do our first takeoff will be VY today. Good. Look outside, look outside. You trim up the aircraft, right? You got it, you're doing good.
Alright.
Warrior 47687, Republic Tower.
Now we got some extra airspeed, let's push that nose up for VY, right? Hold that nose up.
Clear for takeoff,
good.
7.
Good.
Alright.
Just keep the aircraft turned up. Good. There you go. Alright, so we're at 400 feet. Alright, so we're still below the turn up altitude, right?
So, okay, 400, 500.
Yep, we're past 300 altitude, it's good. Let's keep that nose up for VY, just a little steeper.
68 Bravo,
He's no factor.
you're following the Cessna turning base over the LE.
Yeah, let's keep climbing all the way up to 800 feet and we'll turn left, okay?
Alright, so once we reach 800, we turn to the left?
You got it.
Cherokee 0 Pop Foxtrot, 19er, clear to land.
Clear to land, 0 Papa Foxtrot, 19er.
Alright, good, let's do it one.
Tower, Turkey 522 Juliet Whiskey, about 2 miles.
There you go, nice and easy change.
1000, with information Foxtrot inbound for touch and goes.
A little right rudder.
Whiskey Republic Tower left, enter left downwind runway 19, so aircraft.
Good, square it up. Nice square crosswind turn there, John. Good job. So power, flaps retract.
So, flyer, okay.
And lights as required.
Thank you, 4394.
Flaps retract, good.
Lights as required. So the climb is fully done. Alright, so let's do the cruise now. Level off.
Level off.
Down for
Get that power back.
Cessna 138, turn right out.
Down to
6, no delay, traffic short final.
Turn out.
2300, yeah.
Ground point 6, no delay. 138.
right there.
Yeah, right about there. Let's turn on course toward Captree for now. Or, excuse me, Northport.
Are you looking for touch and goes?
Cuba 5 shy, requesting touch and goes.
Says 605, make right close traffic.
Right close traffic, 605.
Turkey 522 Juliet Whiskey reporting left downwind of runway 19.
Cherokee 2 Juliet Whiskey, roger, continue.
Continuing, Cherokee 2 Juliet Whiskey.
That's 7 Alpha Delta, runway 19 full length, line up and wait. Traffic, Cessna, 4 mile final.
57.
Cherokee 2 Juliet Whiskey, following Cessna traffic, 4 mile final, advise on site.
2 Juliet
Alright,
Whiskey,
John, looking
looking
good.
for traffic.
Cessna 5 Golf, follow Cherokee ahead.
Alright, so in the blue box, that's the box that'll change frequencies, right? Let's go put 12005.
Traffic, midfield, left
12005, same frequency that's under it.
Traffic,
Let's just put it in comp 1.
2 Juliet Whiskey, have traffic.
Cherokee 2 Juliet Whiskey, follow Cessna, you're number 2.
Right there?
Yep, now swap it. Let's talk to them.
Okay.
Alright, now let's practice leading the mixture. So let's press engine, press lean, press assist. Assist right there. Okay, we're going to leave our power where it's at, about maybe about 2350. So 65% power. Alright, now you're going to get practice leading the mixture.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so since we're in the G1000, we do have the lean assist, though. I do want you to know how to use that.
Right.
Team 4927.
So simply, leave your power where it's at, 24 is fine. And now you're going to start to slowly take out the mixture. Slowly, keep turning it. counterclockwise, and that'll keep bringing it out. So as you lean the mixture, you're going to notice that the engine temperature is going to rise. So in a second here, we're going to get a peak temperature from one of the cylinders.
Yeah.
And once we get a peak, keep twisting it. Don't be quiet. Yeah, keep doing it.
All right.
See, keep doing it as it comes out.
Yeah.
Touching like crest skydiving over speed.
You're plenty. You keep going. Eventually, number's going to pop up, and once that number pops up, we're going to be about 50 degrees rich of peak. And what that means is that's basically the best power setting and fuel consumption for the aircraft.
Maintain 3000.
27.
Keep going.
831.
Experimental 9, Romeo Victor ready.
Alright, there's the drive. Wait a second, hold it.
All right.
Experimental 69 Romeo Victor, you cleared to Lima Whiskey Mike via financing controlled airspace direct.
1 second, New York approach, Skyhawk 1158 Victor.
New York approach, Skyhawk 1158 Victor.
Skyhawk 1158 Victor, New York, go ahead.
58 Victor is 1 mile north of Northport, 3,600 request flight falling to Waterbury, Oxford.
You say that.
Okay.
Skyhawk 1158 Victor, go ahead.
115 Victor, we're about 2 miles northeast of Northport, 3,600, request flight falling to Waterbury, Oxford. That was a long one.
58 Victor, turn approach 124.07 for advisory.
124.07, 115 Victor.
Alright. Sometimes they help me, sometimes the other guy helps me. 124.07.
Victor's 10 miles to the southwest, 2,700 for 1,700, inbound for landing with Foxtrot.
Skyhawk 115 Victor, Oxford Tower, enter right downwind runway 18, report entering downwind.
Right down, 18, 115 Victor, and we'll report.
Stationair 7 Tango Hotel, runway 18, line.
Alright, so we're going to enter
Line up and
this
wait.
right one, downwind, okay.
That's what we expected.
Just as we talked about.
Stationair 7 Tango Hotel, what's the direction of flight again?
Northwest.
Stationair 7 Tango Hotel, on course approved, runway 18, cleared for takeoff.
On course, clear for takeoff, 187 Tango Hotel.
Cessna 242, left base, your discretion, runway 18, cleared to land.
Clear land 242, thank you, 18.
It's looking good, John.
Good?
Yeah, I just forgot where I put my phone. No big deal. I'll grab it when we're done, but good. Good, keep that descent coming down.
We're going to descend up to 1,700, right?
Yep, they're going to
Cessna 04,
pattern
your
altitude.
position now.
04 Echo, we're 7 miles out.
Okay, good.
Okay, we're parallel to the runway, just got to get the altitude back up.
Got it. Let's go flaps 10. That'll help you get balloon back up, right? You're good, flaps 10? Yeah, flaps 10. You can bring your power back out now. You don't need that much power to
Alright.
go up 100 feet.
Alright, good. So traffic is...
On the runway, just departed.
traffic is about 2 o'clock, right?
Yep, you got him.
Alright.
So we're not going to turn until he's behind
So we're
us, right?
still going to go downwind.
Yep, we're just going to fly a little bit
There
of
he goes.
extended
Fine.
downwind. Yep.
Alright. Nice. Wow.
Beautiful out here, huh?
It is.
I like getting away from the island sometimes.
Oh yeah, you have to. See a little terrain, a little mountains.
Alright. Alright, he's on his base to final.
Tower, Cessna 12242.
Cessna 12242, tower.
Ready for takeoff via Alpha 18 for some maneuvers.
Cessna 242, hold short.
So once he's in between our wing and our tail, we can turn base.
Traffic.
Okay.
Cessna 58 Victor, runway 18, clear to land.
Clear to land, 185 Victor.
Alright,
November
alright, John, let's turn our base. Let's pull our power 1500.
Mike's off, 5 miles out. Okay, thank you.
15? Good, let that nose come down. Be a little less power, 15.
I'm going to have one departure prior to your arrival. We'll be going into position here in just a moment.
Roger, 5 Victor. Okay.
Yep, let's square it up.
Cessna 242,
Turn
runway
it
18.
on nice and squared, right?
Cessna on the
Yeah.
right base.
242.
Use that rudder. There you go, keep this coordinated. There you go, wings level. Once your wings level, flaps 20. Wings level, there you go.
Level.
Flaps 20.
Then flaps 20.
Flaps 20 or below 85.
Alright.
That nose up.
Okay.
Alright, now we get to fly in between two mountains through a valley.
Oh yeah, see that.
Alright, let's turn on course. Let's turn final. Remember, nice and gentle, right?
04 Echo,
Keep
right
it
on
coordinated.
Golf taxi.
Using those pedals.
04 Echo Golf to the right.
There you go. Good. Keep it coordinated. There you go. You need 30 degrees, use 30 degrees, but no steeper than that, right?
Yep.
Good.
242, make left close traffic, runway 18, cleared for takeoff.
Okay.
Let's get back on final. We got a slight right crosswind.
Clear for takeoff, 1824. Don't right.
Okay. Let's lower the nose, right? Alright, once we have the runway made, you're going to go full flaps. Good, you're on airspeed, John.
Not
Looking
available.
good. Alright, let's bring that power out now, 1500.
Oxford Tower, Turkey 77 Mike is on.
There you go, let the nose come down. Let's go full flaps.
77 Mike, Roger, number 2 following the Cessna on final.
Number 2, look for that traffic 77 Mike.
Look at that crosswind.
Wind check. See the crosswind.
Wind to 220 at 8.
8. Okay.
Hey, keep that power in about 1500.
Cessna 77 Mike, intentions after your touch and go.
Reduce it.
I'd like to go.
Alright, look down the runway now.
Yep. Cessna 77
That nose
Mike,
coming down.
left close traffic, runway 18, cleared.
Good, John. Keep that nose coming down. Let's keep our airspeed.
After one. Downwind for 18.
Alright, we got a pretty good right crosswind here.
9er, Roger, you're number 2 following a...
Alright, shifting again, power idle.
Roger, number 2.
Alright, we're looking all the way down.
On the left base.
We're going to hold it.
Looking for traffic.
We're going to touch down with that right wheel, right?
Yep.
You got it. Hold it. Hold it. Perfect.
Alright,
I'm sorry.
Very nice.
Cessna 19er, that's a Cherokee you're following.
Alright, we'll get up to the next run. Taxiway here.
Cessna 58 Victor, say parking.
We're going to the GA FBO, looks like, I guess, Keystone.
Cessna 58 Victor, right turn taxiway, Golf taxi to Keystone.
Right turn golf into Keystone, 5 Victor.
That was nice.
Very nice. Yeah, the runway kind of, it's on a hill.
Yeah, I see it.
Oh, apply some brakes, we'll get some back pressure and slow down without wear and tear.
Cessna 819er, do you have that Cherokee inside on the base?
Negative. I'm looking. We'll just hold it downwind here until...
Cessna 242, left crosswind, your discretion.
Alright, add some power. It's at around 1,000, right?
Left crosswind 242.
So after landing, check.
18.
Cessna 819er, he's just about to turn final from
After
the
landing?
base now.
Oh,
Alright, after landing, so elevator trim, takeoff. Okay, we're good. Flaps retract.
Put the flaps up.
Flaps up. Alright. Lights as required.
So you turn them off with the beacon. Alright, leave the beacon on. Everything else off.
Strobe on too. So land in a taxi.
It's fine.
Okay.
The transponders.
Transponder is on standby.
Alright, we're good. Let's taxi on it.
Good. Alright. Taxi.
And let's call the FBO here. 122.
Cessna 819er, runway 18, clear to land.
So where are we going? There?
Yep, we're going straight ahead.
Clear to land, runway 18.
Ground frequency.
Clear,
22.
Keystone FBO, Skyhawk 115 Victor.
Aircraft on a Keystone ramp, go ahead.
We're just like to park for about 20 minutes and get about 10 gallons of fuel, 5 in each tank, please.
5 in each tank, you got it.
Where should we park over there?
No, they should have a marshal come out.
Thank you.
Alright,
Alright.
go straight. Here he wants us. Alright, go. Let's go around the right side here.
Okay. Okay.
Around the tie downs. Alright, bring the power back.
Then stop.
So, follow the marshal signals. He wants to turn toward him.
Yeah, we'll be on the ground in about 15 minutes, dropping off 4 passengers.
Alright, add some power. See how he's saying turn?
Yeah, I see it.
Here you go.
PC 12.
Alright, straighten it out. Keep going, keep going. When he makes an X with his arms, that means stop.
Yeah.
Alright, keep going. Go a little bit right rudder. And stop.
Alright.
Shut down. Throttle 1,000.
Shut down. Throttle to 1,000.
Okay, radio
Okay,
master
now.
avionics off.
Avionics on.